This Christmas tradition is adopted from American priest of Marikina City 1. It stands for abundance to the family who can receive this as gift. Salt, brown or white sugar. Marshmallow is a cotton-like represents neutralizing agent in family living. Salt flavors food, binder, and stabilizer. Sugar is sweet which neutralizes the salty taste. Packaging time.
Nagiringkod ka na eh.
Masakit sa pa. Masalit sa paya.
Tapayat.
Place sugar and salt to a container while fireworks are still displayed. Happy affluent New Year to all. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.